Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A20s and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So let's first open the notification panel shortcuts, and here we should find the torch icon. Just click once on the torch icon, so now we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, just click on the torch icon once again. By this way, if you want to change the brightness level of your torch, you should hold for a while this icon, and after that we can decrease or increase the brightness level. Then just tap to done to save the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.